Hello everyone, I am Shravani Nayak. Today I am going to discuss about discovery of cell. Before I'll jump to this topic, let's understand what are there in our surrounding. In our surrounding, so many things are there. Some are living things, some are non-living things. We can see this. Living things means things that can move one place to another place, that can grow, that can eat, that have senses, that have feel, can die, all are living things. So we can take an example of human being, birds, animals, plants, all are living things. Now we'll go to the non-living things. Non-living things means things that can't move one place to another place and that can't grow, can't eat, breathe, uh, that can't produce younger ones, that called non-living things. We can take an example of cycle, table, car, brush, and Barbie. All these are non-living things. Now, someone can ask us, uh, plant can't move one place to another place, but this is a living things. Yes, plant is a living things because plant can produce fruits and flowers. Plant also can change its structure. It also make food by own. So plant is a living things. In living things, so many animals are there. All animals have different size and shape. You can take an example of elephant and a honeybee. We all know elephant size and honeybee size all have different size and shape and food habits also. But all can live, all have life. All living organisms made up of cell. For that reason, that can live. Now we'll know about the cell and who discovered the cell. In 1665, an English scientist, Robert Hooke, he used a primitive microscope and he investigated a thin slice of cork. And he suggested that the cork is inside the cork, so many compartment is there, like this structure. This is like box-like structure or compartment is there. These all compartment and box-like structure Robert Hooke named as a cell. So he concluded all cork made up of cell. But he observed all cork cell are empty. So he conclude again all cork cells are dead cells. After that, he used what? Primitive microscope. When advanced microscope came, that time one scientist, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, he took one living thing, living animals, is bacteria, and he suggested that bacteria is made up of cell. After that, one German scientist in 1838, Schleiden, he came and he took plant and he investigated plant in a microscope. So after that, he concluded that plant also made up of cell. After that, a year later, one another scientist came. That name was Swan. He suggested that animals also made up of cell. So these all observations led to a general cell theory of organisms. What that was? All living organisms are made up of cell and Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. We can take an example of wall. Wall is made up of so many bricks. Similarly, in our body are made up of cell. Some organisms have one cell that called unicellular organisms. Some organisms have multicell that called multicellular organism. So, father of cell is Robert Hooke, and cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. Thank you.